Protest demonstrations were held at the various places in occupied Kashmir against the recent blasphemous content by a Hindutva activist in Srinagar. Occupied Kashmir is seething with anger since Wednesday when a Hindu student from the Indian Rajasthan state studying at the Government Medical College in Srinagar posted a sacrilegious content against the Prophet ﷺ on the social media. Ahead of today's protest, the occupation authorities put senior Hurriyat leader Mirwais Umar Farooq under house arrest, disallowing him to attend the Jummah prayers at the historic Jamia Masjid in Srinagar. Mirwais, in a statement, expressed severe outrage against the blasphemous remarks. College students and the doctors staged a strong protest demonstration against the derogatory post and demanded strict action against the student. The protest broke out after the Hindutva student refused to erase the disregarding content from his WhatsApp. APHC, strongly condemning the blasphemous incident, said that no Muslim can bear such disrespectful content. The APHC spokesman, Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, emphasized the honor and respect of the Prophet ﷺ, said that is dear to all the Muslims other than their own lives. Indian troops and the Special Operation Group of the police launched a search operation in the vast forest belts in the Mujeen area of the outskirts of the Jammu city today.